Today I'm going to show you more precisely how to build flows, what the flows are, and everything in the automation section. I'm going to be without the camera so that you can see all the screen and that I don't interfere any buttons and any stuff in here, okay? So first thing, we go to automation, and here you will have empty, everything empty, starting from scratch. So what should we do right now? We should click new flow button, and you will see the templates in here. See, it will show you what to do, but we will need to click start from scratch. And see, ManyChat has added all these preview screens and all the stuff you need to know. They will show you how to use it yourself. So this constructor, it's intuitively really, really simple and really user-friendly. No coding skills, no anything. It has nothing to do with coding. So it's easy to use it, knowing all the principles and all the main functions you've got in here. So what do we have in here? This is our main area where we will create all the automation, the flows. They can be as big as you wish. Okay, here we can undo something, here redo something, then preview button. I will show you after we create our first messages. Publish button. This publish button is very important because if you don't publish your flow, it's not going to work. So it's very important. So this button is published after we finish. Right here, what we have: rename, duplicate, convert channels, copy to another page, delete, revert to published. I'm going to show you how to use all this stuff a little bit later. This plus, what do we have here? We've got starting step, trigger, messenger, all the flows. We've got all the channels in here. Also actions, condition, randomizer, smart delay, and comment. I'll show you everything in here. So we have them here too, but you can add this as a plus, or you can click on any, on any area, double click any area of your constructor, and you will see same functions in here. So what's this? How to arrange steps. After we create automation, I will show you how it works. And this you will be able to make it bigger, make it smaller, but you can do it with the help of your touchpad or mouse or what you use. Okay, so this is our starting step. It's going to be here on default, and we will add triggers to start our automation right here, but we don't need it. Now we need this block. What we should do right now, we need to start with Instagram. So we click on Instagram and see you've got this block in here and this in the left. What we can do here now, we're not going to build anything. I will just show you all the things you can do with this block. Okay, so here you can write the text right there. Wanna learn more about my product. Okay, click the bottom below. Here we write the text. What we've got here, this smile, it's emojis, our emojis, and we need to add some emojis in our automation, okay, to make it more interactive, more fun, and more engaging. Using those smiles are gonna make us like more user-friendly. Okay, let's do it in here. Okay, and in here we can click, choose this button. Okay, for example, like this. Not too many emojis, but emojis should be. Okay, what's this? See, there's no coupon campaign in here, but when you connect your Shopify store, you can create coupons in here. But we don't need this. Here's emojis. Here's we've got fields, so you can add, for example, first name. Yes, and this first name will be the first name the person has got in Instagram. Yes. So like this, and automatically we will have first name added in here. For example, if it's Alice or John or Danielle or David, it doesn't matter. The bot will get this first name and we'll insert it in here. Okay, now we've got our message. What do we need to add in here? We need to add the buttons. Okay, we have two kinds of buttons in here. This kind of button and this kind of button. I'm going to show you the difference between them and what are they. So first we need to use this button. This is the stable button, which means when user clicks this button, it doesn't disappear. So it's, I call it stable button, okay, permanent button. So we write the name of the button, learn more, for example, set up an emoji here, like, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Okay, what we can do with this button? With this button, we can add the next step, okay, the next Instagram message. We can send email. We can open website, so we can add the link. After that, we can do action, condition, randomizer, and every step that I've shown you in what we've got in here. Okay, so mostly commonly we use this button to add website links. Okay, so open this website. You can add your link. I'm going to copy ManyChat. You insert your link in here and click done. Right now, as you see, it's connected to the link. The link is in the button. And when someone clicks this link, so this someone will get this link message. Okay, let's publish. And I'm going to show you. Click preview. Okay, the preview cannot be played right now because the automation is not triggered yet. Okay, I'm going to show you later. So right now we've got this button. We will have up to 3 buttons in here. You will be able to create only 3 buttons. Okay, different like button number 2 and button number 3. You can add different links in different buttons. So in this one, we add this link. In another, we add another link.com, for example. And in this button, we add the third link. Let it be live.com. Okay, and we've got these 3 buttons with different 3 links. You can add to lead them to different places. But I suggest you to build one automation only for one product, okay? So that you don't confuse your customers. So 3 buttons in here. What we've got more? We've got quick buttons. What quick buttons are, but you cannot use these buttons and these buttons together. You can't, okay? So I'm showing you, but either you use these with one message or you use these. Or what we can do next, we can add text. Also, you can add delay between the texts, okay? So that messages are not going together very fast. You can add the delay. You can set up 5-10 seconds anytime you want. Now you write another message. Check this out. And click the button. Okay, and now you can add these buttons. You can add up to 10 quick buttons. They are called quick buttons. Why? Because when the person clicks this button, it disappears. So, and all the other buttons, they disappear. All these buttons, they stay, they are permanent. These buttons, they disappear. They don't stay, okay? And you can write like, thanks, and give emoji, this one, or no, maybe later, and add emoji like this one. Okay, something funny. And you can add up to 10 different buttons like these. And you can see that you have limited amount of symbols you can add here, so only 20. So the buttons, the names of the buttons should be very short. Here too, you're limited. See, like here, you will have also 20. Okay. Okay, let it be like this. So 20 here and 20 here. And in this button, in quick buttons, we can't insert the links. So this button will only lead to the next step, to the next message. For example, here, see, we just set here, and this arrow shows us that we can connect it to Instagram, email, actions, condition, randomizers, to start smart delay and start flow. We can choose Instagram and send another message. Oh, great. And here you can also add the button, for example. And here you can give the button with the link, like we did in the previous buttons, like here. Okay, or maybe later. I see you here also can segment people. No problem, for example. And we can set this smile like okay. See, now you've created two different messages like this. What else do we have here? Okay, we go down. I've shown you the delay. You can set up the delay in the beginning of the message or between the messages when you add messages in one block. Okay. Now, what we've got here, text, it's the text block like this, image. We can add image in here before the text, for example. And okay, here will be the delay after he clicks this button. After this, we can upload the image. Let it be like this one. Open. And we'll have this girl in here. Okay, see now our chatbot looks better and better. So we go down. What else we can do? So after he clicks this button, thanks, there will be a delay, 3 seconds, but I don't suggest you to do such delays. It's better when people get message right away. So we can delete this. And we also can delete the message, okay, and delete the text. Just and here you can drag drag those blocks wherever you want. Okay, so after this, what we have? Card. What the card is? The card is the description. It's the same image, for example. See, like let's have this one open. Another girl. See, they were generated by Midjourney. I love them. Okay, here you can add the title. For example, if you want the description of your product, service, or anything, um, check out how I can help you. Okay, this is the description. And here also the description. The description of my services. And here you can also add the button. Click or more details. Okay, we can add more. So let it be more details. Okay, more details and the emoji. Okay, here we can add the website, or we can send the next message. For example, more details, and then we go to the next step and send another message. Okay, so open the website, and now we can send another message. For example, my services and description of your services. Okay, like building bots. What else? Funnel audit, and so on and so forth. So you can just give the names and the prices of your services, for example. Okay, so this is the card. This can be an image, text in the bottom, and this can be this card. It's going to be all together. What else we can do here? We can add the gallery. Here the gallery is, and the gallery, it's more images. Okay, not only one. These are same cards, but more images. You can add up to 10 different images and different descriptions. For example, image 1. Okay, now we create image 2. Here. Okay, let it be this. And image 3. Let it be this one. Image 4. Let it be this one. And image 5. As many as you wish, up to 10. This one. Okay, so see, up to 10. And you will get also, you can add also the description in here under every image in every card. So let me show you. Description 1, my service 1. Okay, you can describe what you do here, service 1. Then description 2. Description 2. Service 2. Okay, and same here. You can also add buttons under every card, button 1. You can open lead links to websites if you want, open website, or you can lead to the next message. Okay, and for example, here it's going to be button 2. Done. Also here button 3. 3. Done. And so on and so forth. Now you can see closer. We have description 1, my service 1, button 1, and you can either add the link or send another message, see, with the description, with more detailed information. Here it's 2, description 2, service 2, and message to the next step after they click. This way you can create the galleries for services, for products, for anything you have. It's like a small website inside your DMs. You can add very good pictures in here, your design, and you will have this all inside your DMs. You won't need to build websites if you don't have any yet, or you can add all your landing pages gathered together just in one place. See, it's very convenient, very convenient. Okay, what else do we have here? Here we can add video. See, but video should be not longer than, not bigger than 25 megabytes. Let me see if I've got any videos in here. Okay, avatar videos, for example. Let's add this one. See, it's added. You won't be able to see it right here. It's not going to be shown. But when you show the preview, you will see it in your Instagram. Okay, you can add it here. So it's been downloaded. What else we have? We have audio in here. You can also record. I don't have audios on my laptop, so on my desktop. So you can record any audio you want. Also, it should be like 5-10 megabytes, not bigger. And you can add also audio. Okay, so this way you will have more connections with your customers, and you will make your chatbot more interactive in different ways. It's cool, right? Okay, what else you can add here? Dynamic coupon, dynamic block. It's for connecting with another applications and other services. It's connected also with API integrations. You won't need it and we won't use it right now because it's very, very highest level. So you won't need it right now. For now, we will not talk about it, okay? What else we've got here? User input. What it is. For example, if you need someone to enter the information for you, like email, phone number, maybe some review, you're collecting this information, then people can please give me your valid email. This way you can collect emails, phone numbers, any information you want. And right here, reply type, we've got already existing fields. The field, I will explain you also later more details about the fields. We've got fields that are already created in ManyChat, and this field, email, it's already created in ManyChat, so we will need to just pick it here. And you will also need to add, check these toggles on, save email to system field and set email opt-in. Email opt-in means that you will be able to use this email when you want to send out emails to your database in ManyChat. So this way ManyChat will know that this email should be included. Okay, what we have here. So if the content hasn't responded, if the email was entered not correctly, so this the bot will send this message. You can correct it. You can write any any text in here, like correct email and address, or give me the email, the right email address, anything. Okay, and also they can skip. In case they don't want to give you their email, there is the skip button after 3 times, yes, and it's normal, it's okay. So after you give this user input, the bot will just tell them to enter. You will tell them to enter, the bot will show, and give me your valid email. You can also type it below, because as I already told you, you need to tell people what to do on every step. Click the button, type the email, give me information, so they need to know what to do, okay? And here, there won't be any buttons, and you will be able to send this block where they input their email, phone, testimonial, anything. So this way we've seen what the bot can do. Okay, okay. And now we need to click the publish button. See, after you click the publish button, and if something goes wrong with your automation, you have forgotten to add the link, you have forgotten to add the next step or anything, you will get this message from the bot. See, let's delete this button, and let's delete this button, and click publish again. Now, okay, see, we already have the button, but we don't have the next step. So we will need to connect everything and check that all the automation is logical, and we need to check all this. Okay, publish again. Okay, this button, for example, where is it? Let's delete it. Okay, publish. Now here we need to add the title. See, you will need to see on every step what's inside and what we should do. So, okay, yeah, which one was that? Probably the gallery. Okay, let's go to the gallery and let's delete. You can delete the button, the picture, and you can delete your card. See, in the gallery. Let's delete those. Delete. Okay. Publish again. See, let's add description. 1. Okay, yeah, service 1, let it be 1, and button click. Okay, publish again. See audio, let's delete audio. If you haven't added anything, if you have forgotten to connect the blocks or you have forgotten to do something, the ManyChat will not publish the flow and it will show you all the problems you've got to solve, okay, before publishing. See, here, we've solved everything and now the automation is published.